Good morning. Today's tutorial we're going to be doing a flyer, a lottery draw flyer, and already on my screen I've been able to bring out some images. Like all this is the car, the TV, everything. There are PNG files. You can get them online. Go online, you search for it, you find out they are PNG. So I'm going to be doing a flyer for a raffle draw, and please, I'm going to be taking it easy, and please, if you have any question after the end of the video, please do tell me. Now, first, everything is set. Now my paper's size has been set to E5, which is a normal flyer. Then let's double click on the rectangular tool. Okay. Then I'll remove the outline. I like removing the outline because it helps me. Just think that's the best. So now let me add the logo. This is the logo. I designed the logo for them. Later I'm going to be talking about how to create logos for companies, for brands. So you can see Draw Niger. So this is their logo. Now let's place their logo, and then let's kind of work on the placement of the images. Now let me get the car as the price. This thing. Now the refrigerator. Now you have to learn how to place your images so that you will not have problem getting them done. So now I'm adding the refrigerator. Then the next one, F4. Now the next one is the television. Sorry about that. Now the television, I've added the television. Then the phone, the Android phone, the smartphone. Now these are the prizes for this competition, and as you can see, we're able to add everything to it. Then let me select everything, then group it together, expand it. Now remember, in our last topic we talked about power clipping, so I'm going to be power clipping this into the image. First click power clip inside. Now it has been power clipped. So all these things that is going out, I'm going to use surface. Let me bring it in a bit. Now that is okay. So let's add in. We don't have much information for it, so bring our rectangular through. Sorry. Oh, add it. Then I'm going to be using an RGB color because this is an electronic flyer, so I'm going to be using RGB to do the work. So let me use this red since it goes with our logo. So I'll just select the color, the red part. It will be red, yes. With the help of the eyedropper, I've been able to select. You can use the eyedropper to select color from anywhere. So I've selected the color F4. So right click, and let's remember to save. Control S, or you go to this icon here that shows save. Then I save it to the desktop. Draw Niger flyer. And press the save. It saves. Then let's just work on it a bit, because I would love it to have a component of the gold and the red. So we convert this to curve so we can be able to manipulate it. Let's just give it a bent. Like, let's give it something quite different. Let it not be a straight line. So with the help of the shape tool, you can find out that I'm using the shape tool to work on it, to make it, to adjust it and give it some effects. That's good. So let me duplicate this. If on your keyboard you have the plus sign at the end of the keyboard, just press the plus. It duplicates on its own. Then we'll go here with the eyedropper. We select the good color and we give it to it. Once you give it to it, all you have to do is just use the shape tool, bring this one up a bit, then you now send it to the back so it will start the back. We want the gold to be at the back. So control page down. That's it. F4. So you can see here we've gotten it. So let's add this background. I brought out this background because I don't want to start searching for it, but you can get something nice if you're doing your own. Just look for a color that complements. Find out that I'm using a white background, but this has some kind of structure on it, but I won't use it like that. I have to put a transparency tool on it to blend it into the design. So I right click and power clip inside it, then right click and edit power clip. Now we'll use the transparency tool to fade some part of it. I don't like to fade it. Then let me set it to the back, F4, send to the back of the image. Now keep working on it till we get what we want. I don't want it to be the dominant this thing. You can see it's quite making. Let me send it to the other side. Let me see how it looks. Okay, so I will duplicate it and send it. I want it to come with a straight line from here to this place. From where my mouse, my cursor is pointing, you find that. So I'll now use this mirror horizontal and mirror vertical and place it here and still send it back. Let's move out of the power clip. Making sense now? So let's reduce it a bit. Making sense now. Yes. Now let's add some shadow effect on our objects to make it look real. Like for instance, let's select this car. Let's try using the drop shadow. Drop shadow. Let's see what it gives us. Increase the darkness. Let's reduce the opacity. Let's go outside the seat. Let's bring it in a bit so that it doesn't look small of it. Let's reduce it a bit, the opacity. So we can do the same for the television. Every little thing that we have here, just to give it a shadow. The shadow is just to help it to look real, to make it to look real. You select it, Control K to break the shadow apart from the image, so you can be able to work on the image. Maybe you are not satisfied with how it's pointing, and just work on it. Then you see, now you can still let's convert it to bitmap. Then we'll now give it a bit of, we'll add a little Gaussian blur to it. We don't want it to just take over the image just like that. Let's now apply this image. It's better. So now the telephone, we'll give it also its own shadow. So nothing is left out. You need to make sure that they have their own shadow. It looks like it's standing on the floor. That's the aim here. And also for the refrigerator also, we're giving it the shadow. Okay, now that's good. Now we're adding the write-ups, like the venue. Will add a venue to it. Let's increase this. So see, venue is FM. Radio Nigeria. Let me change the color for those of us that cannot see it. Now, so you can see what you are writing. Then time 9 p.m. Oh, that's okay. So let's give it a bit of a font. Bold. Centralize it. Then remember our alignment. You click on it, you hold the shift, you click on the black. When you go to the object, remember we talked about alignment the last time. So you can see it here. You can always learn the shortcut to get through it. See, it aligns. Okay, then we have how to participate. The part I have how to participate. Buy a ticket. Any of our agents worldwide. Now I'm going to be adding something like, let's give it something that will make it to stand out from the others. Here's shape 2, give it color. Send it to the back. So change the color to black. Then the red. We'll give it a bit of an outline. So click here. Now you can just press F12 to bring out the outline properties. F12. So we'll send it in. Click behind field, scale with object, the curved edge, change it to 2. From here we can also change it to 3 to get something nice. But that is okay. We'll give it a bit of a shadow. We'll adjust it. And you can see design on Corel is quite simple. You don't need to stress yourself much. You can see it. Then what is remaining is the date for the sale of the ticket and the date for the draw. So I won't be adding that. I won't be typing, but I'll give it a design. Something you can just type something, create something on your own and add it. So for the 2, I'm going to be adding this 2. So this one will be gold, this one will be red. Just it. So let me give it a transparency. I like to see some stuff come out. Change this transparency to nope. Multiply. Nope. Screen. Let's keep trying to get something. I'm looking for an effect here. Wow. Let's see if we can get it. Normal. Let's give it back. Let's show the transparency. Find out that this, like this, will developed a flyer now, and you can see that it's very simple. Work through the color of the logo, everything still remain the same, and you can try something else, something different. The reason why I'm doing this in very simple is that so that you can get the basics, so you will not get yourself confused. If you're able to get it basically, you can introduce complex designs to it, which will be coming over the next time when we're going to be doing our tutorial. And I'm still your host, Sanitech Emmanuel, and CEO of Sanitech Media. So thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and click the bell icon to get new videos. And trust me, you will not regret subscribing to this channel. See you next time. Thank you.